आज आपके साथ फ़ेल माजी मुकम्मल पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूअस टेंस की डेफिनेशन उर्दू में भी और इंग्लिश में भी, रूल्स, फार्मूला आसान इंग्लिश में और आसान एग्जांपल्स के साथ शेयर करूंगी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहचान। इस टेंस की पहचान कुछ इस तरह से की जा सकती है कि उर्दू फ़िक्रे के आखिर में रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे आता है और इसके साथ उर्दू के फ़िक्रे में वक्त का जिक्र भी ज़रूर आता है। तारीफ इस तरह से है, इस ज़माने का इस्तेमाल ऐसे कामों का जिक्र करने के लिए होता है जो माजी में शुरू हुआ था और माजी में ही किसी ख़ास वक्त में जारी रहा था। मसलन, वो मछलियाँ पकड़ रहा था, असद खाना खा रहा था, हम नमाज पढ़ रहे थे। हेल्पिंग वर्ब। आई, ही, शी, इट सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स, वी, यू, दे प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट। हर किस्म के फ़ाइल के साथ हैड बीन लगाया जाता है और वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी लगाया जाता है। सिंस और फॉर का इस्तेमाल भी किया जाता है। इंग्लिश में इसकी डेफिनेशन इस तरह से है, पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस डिस्क्राइब्स एन एक्शन दैट स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, continued for a period and ended before an other past action or time. It is used to express the ongoing nature of an action that occurred continuously before another event in the past, formed by combining had been with the present participle। फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी लगाते हैं ऑफ द मेन वर्ब। एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस बयानिया जुमला स्ट्रक्चर है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बीन प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। एग्जाम्पल, they had been working on the project for months. She had been waiting for the bus all morning. We had been studying French for years. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस मनफी जुमले स्ट्रक्चर है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस नॉट प्लस बीन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। एग्जाम्पल, they had not been attending the meeting regularly. She had not been working at the company for very long. He had not been exercising regularly. Interrogative sentences सवालिया जुमले स्ट्रक्चर हैड सबसे पहले आ जाता है, हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीन प्लस फोर्थ फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी लगाते हैं प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। एग्जाम्पल, हैड शी बीन लर्निंग टू प्ले द पियानो फॉर ईयर्स, हैड दे बीन ट्रेवलिंग ऑल डे, हैड वी बीन डिस्कसिंग दिस टॉपिक फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिंस और फॉर a length of time, for 5, for a long time, for an hour. For example, she had been waiting at the station for 2 hours. Since plus a point in the past time. Since 7 a.m., since 1982, since November. For example, she had been working since 4 a.m. सिंस और फॉर की डिटेल से एक्सप्लेनेशन मेरे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में दी है। Here are some examples of affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences of past perfect continuous tense. बच्चा पंगूड़े में रो रहा था। The baby had been crying in the cradle. Negative sentence, the baby had not been crying in the cradle. Interrogative sentence, had the baby been crying in the cradle? इन एग्जाम्पल्स में ग्रीन कलर में एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस शो किया गया है और पिंक कलर में नेगेटिव सेंटेंस शो कर रहा है और ब्लू कलर में इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस शो कर रहा है। वो 2 घंटे से काम कर रही थी। She had been working for 2 hours. एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है। नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, She had not been working for 2 hours. Interrogative sentence. Had she been working for 2 hours? मैं एक किताब पढ़ रही थी. I had been reading a book. Affirmative sentence है. Negative sentence. I had not been reading a book. Interrogative sentence. Had I been reading a book? वो बुला रहा था. He had been calling. He had not been calling. Had he been calling? तुम खाना बना रही थी. You had been cooking dinner. तुम खाना नहीं बना रही थी. You had not been cooking dinner. Had you been cooking dinner? वो बातें कर रहे थे. They had been talking. They had not been talking. Had they been talking? वो डांस कर रही थी. She had been dancing. She had not been dancing. Had she been dancing? वो कार चला रहा था. He had been driving. He had not been driving. Had he been driving? हम हंस रहे थे. We had been laughing. We had not been laughing. Had he been laughing? वो बेहतर महसूस कर रही थी. She had been feeling well. She had not been feeling well. Had she been feeling well? तुम सुबह से वर्जिश कर रहे थे. You had been exercising since morning. You had not been exercising since morning. Had you been exercising since morning? वो इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. They had been waiting. They had not been waiting. Had they been waiting? वो चल रहा था. He had been walking. He had not been walking. Had he been walking? बर्फबारी हो रही थी. It had been snowing. It had not been snowing. Had it been snowing? तुम सो रहे थे. You had been sleeping. You had not been sleeping. Had you been sleeping? मैं सुबह से अंडे खा रहा था. I had been eating eggs since morning. I had not been eating eggs since morning. Had I been eating eggs since morning? मैं 1 घंटे से ख़त लिख रहा था. I had been writing a letter for an hour. I had not been writing a letter for an hour. Had I been writing a letter for an hour? वो सुबह से सो रही थी. She had been sleeping since morning. She had not been sleeping since morning. Had she been sleeping since morning? पूरी रात बारिश हो रही थी. It had been raining all night. It had not been raining all night. Had it been raining all night? वो पूरी रात बाग में चलता रहा. He had been walking in the garden all night. He had not been walking in the garden all night. Had he been walking in the garden all night? सालों से पेरिस आ रहा था. He had been coming to Paris for a few years. He had not been coming to Paris for a few years. Had he been coming to Paris for a few years? मैं काम कर रहा था. I had been working. I had not been working. Had I been working? वो बचपन से दोस्त थे. They had been friends since childhood. They had not been friends since childhood. Had they been friends since childhood? अली गरूब आफ्ताब से मछलियाँ पकड़ रहा था. Ali had been catching fish since the sunset. Ali had not been catching fish since the sunset. Had Ali been catching fish since the sunset? सारा 10 बजे से कौमी गीत गा रही थी. सारा had been singing national song since 10 o'clock. Sarah had not been singing national song since 10 o'clock. Had Sarah been singing national song since 10 o'clock? फनकार दोपहर से तस्वीर बना रहा था. The artist had been drawing a picture since noon. The artist had not been drawing a picture since noon. Had the artist been drawing a picture since noon? हम किचन साफ कर रहे थे. We had been cleaning the kitchen. We had not been cleaning the kitchen. Had we been cleaning the kitchen? वो बहुत कुछ बचा रहे थे. They had been saving much. They had not been saving much. Had they been saving much? वो कुरान सुन रही थी. She had been listening to the Quran. She had not been listening to the Quran. Had she been listening to the Quran? सारा मदद कर रही थी. Sarah had been helping out. Sarah had not been helping out. Had Sarah been helping out? वो अंदर रह रहे थे. They had been staying inside. They had not been staying inside. Had they been staying inside? अली इनसे मिलता रहा था. Ali had been visiting them. Ali had not been visiting them. Had Ali been visiting them? मैं थकन महसूस कर रहा था. I had been feeling tired. I had not been feeling tired. Had I been feeling tired? हम फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. We had been playing football. We had not been playing football. Had we been playing football? I had been studying for 3 hours before I finally took a break. I had not been studying for 3 hours before I finally took a break. Had I been studying for 3 hours before I finally took a break? She had been saving money for months to buy a new car. She had not been saving money for months to buy a new car. Had she been saving money for months to buy a new car? She had been working at the company for 6 years. She had not been working at the company for 6 years. Had she been working at the company for 6 years? They had been waiting in line for hours when the concert was cancelled. They had not been waiting in line for hours when the concert was cancelled. Had they been waiting in the line for hours when the concert was cancelled? We had been living in that neighborhood for decades. We had not been living in that neighborhood for decades. Had we been living in that neighborhood for decades? That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.